All right, so good afternoon. We're Village Shuttle Plus. That consists of myself, Jackie, Amir, Hassan, and Eric. And Jason couldn't make it today, but we have him in there as well. So the idea behind this is going to be a real-time offline schedule for the Village Shuttle, as the online site doesn't actually load on mobile. So we're here to try and provide a safe and efficient way for you to catch the shuttle bus to the village. As of right now, if you wanted to catch it, you can't load it on your mobile phone. So you're kind of either just waiting outside and hoping you got the right time, or pulling your laptop out to open the web browser. So as you can see, on the left-hand side, that's kind of what it looks like on mobile. It's very inefficient. You have to kind of go through the website to get to it. And I don't know about everyone else, but I personally have a horrible time navigating York's website without actually Googling things. So again, the idea is you never want to miss the bus. There's going to be an alarm kind of that lets you know when the bus is going to be coming. So if you're studying, you don't have to get up 20 minutes early. You can just get up 5 minutes before the bus actually gets there, and you're there. It's efficient, it's safe, you're not waiting out in the cold, and you don't have to worry about waiting alone because the shuttle only runs at night. Next page. So basically how it works is you just download the app, you install it, and you open it. It's really simple. You don't need a Wi-Fi connection for it to run, which is kind of like a main thing. We don't want people using their cellular just to check when the bus is coming. So behind it we have HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the UI, and we have Java, and we use the Android SDK to do it. So we used Android Studio to help with development. So for the business model, our key partners, we're looking at using transportation services, security services, GoSafe, Residence Life, YFS, Uconnect. For the key activities, it's providing shuttle schedule, reminder notification, and displaying the time remaining until your bus actually leaves. So we're making traveling to the village hassle-free, creating a safer environment, and providing a tool to increase students' productivity. So for relations with our consumers, we have in-app feedback, a Facebook group, contact information on the website. We have social media promotion, posters, and word of mouth for ways to actually get the word out about our application. And just to make sure, like you guys know, there's over 850 homes in the village, which is 6,000 York students living in the village, and approximately 1,000 in the York apartments, which is a fairly significant portion considering the people that live there that need to go there, as well as people that actually want to visit their friends. So for the main resources, we have GoSafe website for the actual schedule. It's a fixed cost. The variable cost isn't too bad because you're just updating the schedule. And for revenue streams, we have advertisement for small businesses around York, as well as promotion for various student clubs and events. So in the future, we were looking at an addition of a schedule for GoBus and the Glendon Shuttle. Preferably by August, we would be able to do version 2, which would include GPS support with multiple bus stops. We would have the York U website parsing and complete schedule, so we can just pick it up directly from the website, as currently it is just a static schedule, so we were able to actually just kind of simulate how it works in the application. And in November, we'd be looking at making an alpha iOS release. So this is kind of like a little bit of a template of what a future UI might look like. It's a little bit wide, but my bad. So it actually has it color-coded, as all of the lines are color-coded when you actually look on the website. So as you can see, there is the alarm function that you can click to set a reminder. So if you want to leave in 5 minutes, you want to leave in 4.5 minutes because you're difficult, you can set it to whatever you want so that you don't miss it. So are you going to do the website? Yeah. Okay, we're going to do like what the web app looks like. And then what? Android app. And then the Android.
Okay, so this is our web app for people who are using Apple iPhones. I don't know why you use that, but so yeah, because since we made the Android app, so if you are using any other platform, you can just go to bit.ly/YU Shuttle, and this works. This is up, and then it's running. Secondly, let me show you the Android app. So since there is no service right now, so it says not available, but let me change the time and to show that it does work. And you click the refresh button, and it tells you how many minutes are remaining until the next bus leaves. And this is pretty much it. Thank you.
Hi. Any questions? Let me pick somebody that hasn't asked a question yet.
Yes.
What? Yeah, no problem.
Hi, I'm just wondering, why do we need this app? Because you can download the PDF file of the schedule on your phone, and they are always on time, and the schedule doesn't change, it's always a fixed time. So why do we need your app and be bombarded by advertisement through the apps?
That's fine, that's completely understandable. So the reason you'd want our app is in the future we're looking to get GPS, so you'll know exactly when it is. As it is, it's fairly on time. However, if there's anything that happens that holds the bus up, whether it's traffic or there's been an incident on the bus, you'd probably want to know instead of just assuming it's going to be there. As far as the advertisements, the idea would be to try and keep them more subtle so that it's not in your face. I know personally, as somebody who downloads free apps, sometimes it's like, why is this here? Get out of the way. So we would probably avoid that as best possible.
So another very quick question.
Sorry, I would actually understand for the use of the app for at least the alarms. That would definitely streamline the experience for me. But the one thing that I'm not really quite getting is, why would I use the web interface instead of just going to the Shuttle website? The app, I completely understand. If I'm using Android, it would definitely make my life easier. But the web interface, why?
No problem. So the reason is we don't actually have an alpha version for iPhone or any other iOS devices. So you still have the problem it doesn't load on mobile, so your iPhone wouldn't be able to load it. So we would just have the web to be able to load it there if you were interested in using it for your iPhone.
Okay, thank you.